Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com, and today is our 11th day of giveaways. Today I have the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. This is the 16 gig model. There's also a 32 gig model available. This has a 7-inch display, a micro SD slot, a quad-core processor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and front and rear-facing cameras. The Fire 7 tablet has the Fire OS 6 operating system on it, which is based on Android Nougat 7.1. We picked up the Amazon Fire Tablet 7 on Amazon for $50, and I'm going to have that link down below in the description. They say that it takes about 4 hours to fully charge this tablet, and on a full charge, you can get up to 7 hours of reading, browsing the web, or watching video on it. Alright, let's open it up and take a look at it. Alright, so inside the box you do get your tablet, and in here you're going to have your cable and your charging brick. So taking a look at the tablet, you do get your bezels here on the side that are pretty thick. Most tablets and phones nowadays are kind of moving away from that so that you get the full display on the front. You do have your bezels up at the top, your front-facing camera. Flip it around, over here in the corner you have your rear-facing camera. Up at the top you have your USB port, your on switch, your 3.5mm headphone jack, your volume controls, and over here on the side is where you're going to input your micro SD card. Alright, so I went ahead, I set this up. I actually connected this to my personal Amazon account. You can see here I have the, I guess it's advertising the Percy Jackson book and the Last Wish book to me, because I bought the Percy Jackson series for my son, and I was listening to the Last Wish on Audible, scrolling through. You see you get your Prime Video, your Amazon App Store, Books, which is like the Kindle app on any other device. Alright, so I clicked on the App Store library, and here are all the apps that are available. You can see Disney Plus is available on here, which is new. Alright, so let's take a picture. Flip it around, let's take a selfie. Alright, so this was taken with the front-facing camera, and for 2 megapixels, it actually doesn't look bad. I was expecting 2 megapixels to look pretty awful. You know, you're not going to get fine detail, but, you know, it doesn't look too bad, actually. You can see everything pretty clearly at the normal zoom, but when you pinch zoom in is when it starts to kind of get a little blurry and unfocused. And then with the rear-facing camera, you know, again, it doesn't look too bad. Once you zoom in is where it kind of gets, you know, a little fuzzy, but at just normal zoom, you know, it's not too bad. But again, I don't think many people are buying this for the camera. I think it's more just kind of like an added feature with it, right? Alright, so checking out the video quality. You know, it's definitely not the best video quality, and this might have something to do with me being connected to the guest network here in the office. But, you know, you can see everything, you can read everything clearly. You know, it's definitely not the best quality we've ever seen. Okay, so this is actually a book that was purchased for everyone in management, you know, a couple years ago. Scrolling through the pages seems to be, you know, intuitive. Just tapping on one side works, but also kind of swiping works as well. So just tapping on one side to flip the pages, that works, but also swiping to the side works as well. A single tap will bring you back to where you can kind of manage everything, skip forward, go back, everything else you need to do. So if we click on library, you can see some of the apps that are available for it. You've got ABC, Disney Plus, HBO Now, Showtime, Sling, TNT, Washington Post. You can get Instagram on here. You get Facebook Messenger. So it is pretty much just like any other Android tablet. Alright, so now let's actually check out the speaker and the sound quality in the Fire tablet. So here at 50%, the volume is pretty low. The sound quality is, you know, it's not excellent, You can hear it. It's not awful. It's not bad sound quality. It's just not great sound quality. But for coming out of a $50 tablet, you know, it's really not bad at all. Let's turn the volume all the way up. So with the volume all the way up, it's pretty loud. The Fire 7 tablet is actually, you know, it's really light. It does fit in the palm of my hand. Just one hand. You can see here that my fingers are kind of wrapping around it here. So it is a one-handed tablet. It is very light, less than a pound, I would say. Probably somewhere between half a pound and a pound. So really, the Fire 7 tablet is great because it incorporates all things Amazon. So if you are an Amazon Prime member, you get your Amazon shopping, you get Prime Video, you get Amazon Music, everything all kind of centrally located, and you only have to sign in once, and then it signs you into all of your Amazon services. And navigating the screen is really cool because if you go to the shop tab, it brings up things that you've searched for. It brings up things you've already bought. It says buy it again. Shows you things that you may be interested in based on related searches you've done in the past. So that's actually pretty cool. You do get your apps, your music, Audible, and newsstand, which is pretty cool as well. So all in all, I think the Fire 7 tablet is actually a great gift for someone who's kind of a casual user of tech, right? You know, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa. If they want to read a book on the tablet, they can do that. If they want to browse Facebook and look at pictures of the kids and grandkids, they could do that as well. All in one place, you're going to have all of your Amazon services. So you can have your Amazon shopping, you can have Prime Video, Amazon Music, you can have your Kindle books. Once you do set it up, it does come with a free trial of Audible, and you get Amazon Newsstand as well. And you can also get games like Candy Crush and Bejeweled and things like that on it as well, so that's neat. So all in all, it's actually a pretty nice tablet. It's not going to be a tablet for your heavy user, but for a casual user of tech, it would make a great gift. And again, the Fire 7 tablet came in at $50, and I'm going to have that link down below in the description, but you can enter to win this Fire 7 tablet by clicking the link to our blog down below as well. And in the meantime, guys, if you have any other questions, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.